dysfunctional vet. What you have here is you have probably a 3/4 inch hole, which is really what it's closer to the right size you're supposed to be using. And I have two of these, one here, one here. The other one down here I've drilled, but I have not yet blown out. I'm using a compressor to clear it of dust and debris to get the hole all the way to the bottom clean, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. Now we pour into the holes. Now we'll make enough to do the next 3, and then we'll come back and fill that in. I believe that was 5 K-cup scoops of the demolition concrete. It has been about an hour, and you can see, even after I topped it off twice, it has shrunk probably a good 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. That one is pushing a 1/2 inch, maybe 3/8. And here we have another 1/2 inch deep. So the directions are to mix a slurry, which I did, and then I poured it in, but although it worked last time, I wish that I could actually watch a video from the company giving me the consistency that it should be in. It does work. These holes are probably 14 inches deep, which is not quite to the bottom, but it's close. On this thin section right here, I was only able to actually bore one hole. The rest of them all broke out. This one came out through the bottom. This one up here broke out at the side. This concrete is very thin, and it is also, it comes in like 10-pound bags, because I didn't need much, so that's what I bought. Down here on the bottom, this is about 2.5 inches thick, and I'm going to take the hammer to that, the electric hammer, and all you have to do is watch a video on a jackhammer and you can see how to work one of those, so I won't waste your time. But we'll come back and visit this from time to time and see how it's doing. On this corner, we can see that the wall has split down, and if I move the camera, you'll be able to see that the wall is split all the way down the back of the thing, not visible here. As we come to this point, the wall is split down to the base, and right here it's also split to the base, just like it is on the other end. Now on the opposite sides, we got an identical reaction, with the exception of right here, where you see this discoloration. There the wall did not break at all. I'm going to write the company that makes this stuff and send them some photographs and some pictures and ask them about it. But what I suspect, and it's purely suspect, is that I did not have enough of the expanding concrete in that hole to generate the pressures necessary to break that up. So obviously I have a lot to learn about this. When I was breaking those smaller portions, and this first wall that I just showed you, which is thinner, I had the formulation correct. So I will make another video on this when I go after this second wall to break it up, and I'll let you know what they said. Dysfunctional vet out.